Hello and welcome. Welcome to the basement. I backed out a bit because I figured, oh well, might as well see me for a moment. Ugh. All right. So, put that record down and I'll look for something else interesting to display. Ooh. While I talk about Bob Booker and Earl Dude present the first family. Oh. What is this? Okay, so there, the first family. So ultimately, this has got to be a comedy thing. It's got to be. This album is for fun. Things are being suggested and said here about some of our great people of the great people of our time, and perhaps the very fact that they're able to laugh with us and enjoy this album is part of what makes them the great people they are. No one has more respect for the high offices and the people suggested here than do those of us who had a hand in putting this together. This album can be played loudly at any time, night or day, in front of anyone, anywhere. People have a right to laugh. We hope that someday, soon, everyone, everywhere, will have that right to laugh. So, this album was recorded mono and stereo at the Fine Record Recording Studios in New York City on October the 2nd, 1962. Let's see. So there are a bunch of people involved. Chuck McCann, Von Meter, Jim Lerner, Naomi Brossat, Norma Macmillan, Earl Dowd, Bob Booker, George Forster, Bob Booker, oh, that's Bob Booker again, Bob McFadden, Bradley Bloke, Von Meter, Mark Hunter, Jim, oh, there he is again, Jim Lerner, Earl Dowd, oh, there's another one. There are pictures of the same people. Uh-huh. So there's a whole bunch of things here. Anyway, I've really got to listen to this. It does look funny, and in these days of what's going on in politics, we could all use some laughter. Come as it was recorded in 1962, I can only guess that this is a spoof on John F. Kennedy. I would think. And looking at the picture and such, I can't imagine it would be anything else. So, now, let's see if we go to eBay. The first family. Although, I'm sure there's other things. Family. Oops. Oh, the first family vinyl. Oh. Okay. Bob Booker and Earl. Yeah, the first family. There it is. $36.47 Canadian plus 20, which basically comes out to, that's probably 60 Canadian. Probably it is. Anyway, there are lesser things, but the shipping is always crazy. There's the Partridge Family. Sign times 4. Cool. Well, once again, I think what I will do is do my best to find local buyers. There are a variety of prices here. There are, but usually, mostly, they are coming from the United States of America. Let me do the filter thing. Condition, price, category, style. Item location. Let's try Canada only and see if there are any here. Well, I guess there are some, but these are not all. There's the first couple of things came up as the right thing. First family. Oh, this one is sponsored. $15 Canadian plus $20 shipping. Sponsored, 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 sponsored. Anyway, I think what I will do, as I'm here and I can. Oh yeah, bongos from the south. Cool. Is I will shoot a picture or two. I shall. It is tough not to get that awful bit of light. I suppose I can always do a little cropping, but I gotta get some close-up shots. Because a lot of these online listing things, they do let you put many pictures up. So I will get many pictures. And I will move it a little closer. And I will get sorta. It's tough with the light trying to pester you. Oh, I'm getting the love sign things. That's enough. That's enough. Once again, I must hook things up. And test these records out. Everything I've looked at so far, looks dandy. They're not, as I say that, I open this one up, and I say, wow, well, that looks like it could have a scratch on it. I suppose, while I'm here, before I forget, I should go back and take this out. It's in the plastic. And have a look-see. And indeed, it looks just dandy. The first family. Okay, come on. Come on, little bag. Okay, get in there. All right. I'll put you back in. It's funny, usually I find the plastic is where it could come out the side, but do you really want that? Oh yeah, and the album cover thing here is a little stressed. Got a little slice on the top, but you know, things happen. They do indeed. So, lots more records to go through, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Well, I figure that my dad and mother and all that, they had good taste in such things. I think they did. So, I will keep hunting. I shall. Anyway, it might be a good season to play such things. I figure if I was going to record some of these, and such, that I would try and get them playing and either put a picture up or show the record going round and round and round. I'm not sure. We'll see about that. Anyway, thanks for coming to the basement. I'll see you again soon. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now. Let's see what else we can find.